Hey everyone! Want to bring that awesome anime style avatar you've created into VIVERSE? Well, let's dive right in! First up, we're diving into VRoid Studio. If you haven't already, just head over to VRoid.com and download VRoid for your PC or Mac. Creating your avatar in VRoid is a blast, from tweaking the face and body to choosing the perfect outfit and accessories. You're the artist here. Done designing? Click on that export button, select export as VRM, name your masterpiece, add your creator tag, and hit export. Now let's bring that avatar to life in VIVERSE. Head over to your VIVERSE profile, click on avatars, then create new avatar, choose import VRM, simply drag and drop or select your VRM file, and voila! Did you know VRoid HUB is another treasure trove for VRM avatars? Just head over to the VRoid HUB webpage, create a free account, and let the browsing begin. When an avatar catches your eye, just download it. Then, just like before, head over to VIVERSE, head to your profile, click on avatars, choose create new avatar, then import VRM, drag and drop or select your file, and ta-da! And there you have it, a unique anime style avatar in VIVERSE, either personalized with VRoid Studio or snagged from VRoid HUB. Remember, always follow our guidelines in terms of use. Ready to have a blast in VIVERSE? We can't wait to see your avatars in action! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and hit that subscribe button. See you in VIVERSE!